Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, mini spare tire, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.